Can you see the texture? Can you see the texture? Can you see the shower gel? It's so nice. Oh my god, so creamy, just exactly like your Dove creamy body wash. Can you see? Hello dearie, so welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, this is HBM Organic Beauty, so you're welcome back to my channel. So today I want to quickly teach you how you can make lightning shower gel from scratch. And for those of you who have been asking for our online skincare class, so just to tell you that our online skincare class starts tomorrow. So if you know you're interested in our online skincare class, you can just register and be a partaker tomorrow. So our class starts 8 p.m. Nigerian time, and believe me, if you're among the first 5 people to register today, you're going to get our skincare recipe ebook for free. Okay, so let's dive straight into the video. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? How about subscribe to this channel? Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. All right, so let's go straight into the video. So like I said, we're making a lightning shower gel from scratch, and this shower gel will come out and look so creamy like your Dove cream shower gel you used to buy from the market. So in here I have my Cetyl alcohol and my Stearic acid. I'm going to be dropping the measurements in the description box below, so just open the description box below to get measurements. So here I have Stearic acid and Cetyl alcohol, right? So next I'm going to be adding in my oil. So I'm using Neem Oil. Okay, so I'm going to be dropping all measurements in the description box below, so that you're going to get measurements of each ingredient I am using here. So I've combined my oil, right, and my Cetyl alcohol with Stearic acid. Why I'm actually using Neem Oil? Neem Oil is very good for any kind of skin reaction. If you're having eczema, if you're having pimples, if you're having ringworm, on your skin, any kind of reaction, any kind of skin reaction, Neem Oil is just the best. Okay, I'm actually using neem seed oil because that was the name on the container that this oil came with. They wrote neem seed oil, but I want to believe neem oil or neem seed oil, you can use either of the two. So this oil will really help you with any eczema or any skin infection while you're using this body wash we're about to make. So right now we are going to mix this. Please note that this is your oil face, right? If you enroll for our skincare class, you're going to know more about different faces when you're making skincare products. So now to my water face, I want to make my water face available. So in here I have my Xanther gum. Okay, I've added in my Xanther gum. So here is my Glycerin. You can use vegetable Glycerin or whitening Glycerin, any Glycerin of your choice. Here is my Xanther gum and Glycerin. If you want to melt your Xanther gum very fast, just pour your Xanther gum into Glycerin. It will dissolve immediately. You can see immediately. So I take out anyone I've worked with, taking out my Glycerin. So next I'm going to add in our water. For our water we are needing 240 grams of water. I'm taking the temperature because I'm going to be adding in some actives here. So the temperature is okay. Here is my Kojic acid. Here is my Edta. So here is my Xanther gum. I'm going to add in my water into my mixed Xanther gum. Can you see that the Xanther gum is sticking up immediately? I'm using 0.2% of Xanther gum. So this is my melted oil. Can you see my melted oil? I'm going to add it into this. Like it's looking very, very creamy. Next, I'll be adding in my glycolic acid. I've added in my glycolic acid. You take. So I just added in my cocoa betaine. Then I'm also adding in my surfactant, which is called SLS, sodium laureth sulfate. Okay, then you give it a stir. You give it a nice stir. So I'm going to take out what I've added here. I've added SLS, I've added cocoa betaine. Yeah, so I'm going to go in now and add in my extracts. I have 2 extracts here. This is my Licorise root extract. This is my Mulberry liquid extract. So I'll be adding my extract for skin lightening. I've added in my Licorise, so I've added in my Licorise root extract and my Mulberry extract. Now I'm going to add in my vitamin E. So this is my vitamin E. Yeah, vitamin E is very, very important. Very, 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 very important. Please, very, very important. Okay, enroll for our online skincare class. You're going to know why we are using most of the ingredients we are using and why we are combining the ingredients we are combining together. Okay, so I'm going to take this out. I've added in my Mulberry extract, Licorise extract, Kojic acid, my vitamin E. Okay, next is my preservative. Okay, we are going to add in preservative. You take this out. So we are also adding our fragrance oil. Okay, this is, I've just added in my fragrance oil. You also take this. Okay, so I've added in every ingredient that are supposed to be in here. So we are going to stick blend this properly. So here is our final formulation. You can see this shower gel is looking so creamy. The consistency also is superb. You can see the consistency is great. Like, I love this consistency. You can decide to add any food coloring of your choice, pink, orange, yellow, green, any pink coloring of your choice. You can see the consistency. The consistency is great, it's lovely, and this shower gel lathers well. So this is a creamy lightening shower gel, formulated with extracts. You can see we added Licorise, Mulberry, and it also contains Kojic acid. And of course, if you want to ask if the Kojic acid will not oxidize and all that, you can just enroll for our online skincare class to know more. Okay, I've washed the bottle and I've sterilized it, so I'm going to add this into our bottle. So I've taken the pH, and the pH is well balanced, is on pH 5. Okay, so that's the best pH for all the extract we added and all the lightening powders we added. So let's test this. Okay, can you see the texture? Can you see the texture? Can you see the shower gel? It's so nice. Oh my god, so creamy, just exactly like your Dove creamy body wash. Can you see? Looking so creamy. Can you see it? Looking so creamy. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you know you really enjoy this content, just give this channel a thumbs up, give the video a thumbs up, and share this video to everybody that you know they need this recipe. And do not forget to turn on your notification bell below for more video. Thank you, and see you in my next video.